Spending hours copying numbers from utility bills, phone bills, or invoices into Excel? There's gotta be a better way, right? Well, there is. Instead of manually typing each number, let AI read your PDFs and pull out everything you need automatically. In this video, I'll show you how to extract account numbers, billing periods, usage data, and charges in literally minutes using a simple formula in Google Sheets. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your bill PDF to Google Drive and set it to anyone with the link can view. This lets the AI access it. Copy that shareable link and paste it into cell A1 of your Google Sheet. All right, let's extract some data. Say you want to grab the account number, billing period, and total amount due. Type this formula. Mark a PDF A4, A1. Hit enter and watch. The AI reads your PDF and returns exactly what you asked for. Pretty cool, right? And if you're wondering about accuracy, just click back to your PDF and spot check the numbers. It's surprisingly accurate, but it never hurts to verify the first time. Now let's pull in more details. Same process. The AI scans the document and structures everything for you. You can do this for any field you need. Due dates, service addresses, tax amounts, late fees, whatever's on that bill. So in less than 1 minute, we've extracted account information, usage data, charges, and important dates. Everything is structured, readable, and ready for tracking or analysis. No more squinting at PDFs. No more typos from manual entry. Just accurate data, pulled instantly. This works for electricity bills, water bills, total usage, previous meter reading, basically any PDF with structured information. Give it a try with your next bill. Install AI for Sheets from the Workspace Marketplace using the link below and start automating this boring task. If this saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical AI automation tips. See you in the next one.